good day everyone. My name is Hinilia GR from BE2 taking up of Bachelor of Science in Elementary Education. Today, I will present you why you should consider becoming a teacher. Teaching is a very important profession because teachers help shape the minds, values, and future of students. They guide learners in their studies and help them become responsible individuals. Teacher also inspire students to believe to believe in themselves and achieve their dreams. Without teacher, education will not be possible. They are the foundation of learning and development in society. That is why teaching is a meaningful and respected profession today. So first is, what is teaching? So for you, what is teaching? Teaching is not just a job, it's a responsibility and a commitment. It involves sharing knowledge, explaining lesson clearly, and helping students understand. Teacher do not focus only on academic but also on teaching good values like respect, discipline, and honesty. They act as a role model inside the classroom. Students often look up to their teacher and follow their example. Teaching also requires patience, understanding, and dedication. It is a profession that requires both heart and effort. A teacher role is to guide, support, and encourage students to become better learners and individual day. So, second, why choose teaching? Teaching is a meaningful and fulfilling career because it allows you to help others grow and succeed. It gives you a strong sense of purpose because your work has a positive impact on students. As a teacher, you are not only focused on your own succeed but also on the success of your student. You help them understand, listen, improve their knowledge, and reach their goals. Teaching also allows you to continuously learn and grow as a person. It is a career where you can make a difference in the lives of others while also improving yourself every day. Third is teachers change lives. Teachers have a strong influence on the lives of their students. They help build confidence, improve skills, and guide students in making the right decision. Many successful today achieve their dreams because a teacher supported and believe in them. So teacher motivate students to their best and never give up. They help students discover their talents and abilities. A teacher can change a student mindset and future to guidance and influence because of this. Teacher play a very important role in society. They are not just educator but also mentors who help shape the future of learners. So, benefits of being a teacher. Teacher benefits that it make stable and practical choice. Teacher receive regular salary, government benefits, and have job security. Education is always needed. Aside from financial benefits, teaching also provide emotional satisfaction. Seeing your student learn learn, grow, and success bring happiness and pride. Teacher also have vocation breaks, which is allow them to rest, and spend time with their families. This profession give both personal fulfillment and stability. Being a teacher means having a career that is not only secured but also meaningful, where you can positively impact and live lives of many students every day. So, also, teacher have right and privilege. Teacher have right and privilege that protect and support them in profession. They have they have they have the right to fair salary, safe working environment, and respect from student, parents, and community. These rights ensure that teachers are treated properly and valued in society. Teacher are also given opportunity for professional growth through trainings, seminar, and workshop. This help them improve their teaching skills and knowledge. When teacher are supported and respected, they can perform their duties better. This lead to better learning experience for students and a more effective education system for everyone. So they also have personal growth. Teaching help you grow both personal and personal personally and professionally. So it develops your patience, responsibility, and confidence in dealing with different situations. As as a teacher, as a teacher, you interact with different kind of students, which improve your communication and understanding. You also learn how to solve problems and manage challenges inside the classroom. These defenses help you become a stronger and more understanding as a person. Teaching is not only about the improving yourself. It is a profession that allows continuous learning and development every day. Every day you gain new experience that help you become a better individual. Why choose teacher? Why choose teacher education? Teacher education prepare you for the real responsibilities of teaching. It provide the knowledge, skills, and training that you need to become an effective teacher. In this course, you will learn how to plan lesson, manage a classroom, and use different teaching strategy. You will also develop your communication and leadership skills. Teacher education help you become confident and ready to face real classroom situation. It guides you step by step in becoming a professional teacher. By choosing this course, you are preparing yourself for a career that is both meaningful and impactful in the lives of students. So, my message to all grade 12 students, choosing the right course is very important because it will shape your future. If you want a career that is meaningful, stable, and respected, teaching is a good choice. It allows you to help others, and others will also building your own future. As a teacher, you can inspire students, guide them, and help them achieve their dreams. You will not only focus on your success but also on the success of others. Teaching is a profession where you can make a difference. Consider choosing this path and and become someone who helps shape the future generate. So, teaching is a profession with purpose, passion, and impact. It is not only easy, but it is very rewarding because you are helping others learn and grow. Teacher play an important role in building a better society by educating the youth. They help students become responsible, knowledgeable, and successful individual. Choosing the teaching means choosing to make difference in the lives of many people. It is a career that brings both personal fulfillment and stability. If you want to have a meaningful and respected profession, teaching is the right choice for for you in the future. So that's all. Thank you for listening and have a great day.